Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.